Tres Leches cake, a beloved dessert in Latin America, has a rich and somewhat debated history. Here's a brief overview. Origins. Early influences. The concept of soaking cakes in liquid dates back to medieval Europe, where cakes were often soaked in wine or syrup. This technique was brought to the Americas by European colonizers. Milk-based desserts. In Latin America, dairy-based desserts became popular due to the abundance of milk and cream. The idea of soaking cakes in milk likely evolved from these traditions. Development, 20th century. The exact origins of Tres Leches cake are unclear, but it is widely believed to have been popularized in the mid-20th century. Some theories suggest it originated in Nicaragua, while others point to Mexico or other parts of Central America. Nestlé influence. One popular theory is that the recipe was promoted by Nestlé in the 1940s through their canned milk products. The company printed the recipe on the labels of their evaporated and condensed milk cans, helping to spread its popularity. Characteristics. 3 milks. The cake is traditionally soaked in a mixture of 3 types of milk: evaporated milk, condensed milk, and heavy cream. This gives it a rich, moist texture. Sponge cake base. The cake itself is typically a light sponge cake, which absorbs the milk mixture well without becoming too soggy. Toppings. It is often topped with whipped cream and sometimes garnished with fruit, such as strawberries or cherries. Popularity. Latin America. Tres Leches cake became a staple in many Latin American countries, each adding its own regional twist. United States. The cake gained popularity in the United States, particularly in areas with large Latin American communities. It is now a common dessert in many American bakeries and restaurants. Cultural significance. Celebrations. Tres Leches cake is often served at celebrations and special occasions, symbolizing indulgence and festivity. Variations. Over time, numerous variations have emerged, including chocolate Tres Leches, coffee-flavored versions, and even vegan adaptations. In summary, Tres Leches cake is a delightful fusion of European baking techniques and Latin American culinary traditions, evolving over time to become a cherished dessert across the Americas.